Alright, man. Late night recap. Just hit 8 p.m. Take a guess. Which one? Is it the left side or the right side I took the trade on? If you guess right, you are right. Lost today, man. Six straight loss in a row, man. It sucks. I don't know if I've lost this many trades in a row. And if I have, it's been a while. I'm actually about to check right now. Probably should have checked before I started this video, but if I had to remember, it might have been like maybe in February or March. Okay, let's see. Okay, 1, 2. Yeah, I'm gonna show it right here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's 3 losses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Damn. Okay, so my longest losing streak is 7. I'm hoping I don't break that. Right now, or like soon. I don't. Hope I can get the ball rolling soon. But damn, yeah. Oh yeah, this video I sound so depressed. I'm about to play it real quick. Hope the volume's not too loud.
I want to show my face.
Like, I could even like
right now. Let people down.
like yeah. I will say I'm in a different like I said, like either the last video or the other video, I'm in a different state mentally as a trader. You know, just going through losing streaks always sucks, but yeah. I've grown as a trader. I've have way more experience, and that's really it. I have more experience winning and losing, so that's helped with my experience in dealing with moments like this. Today we had jolts at 9 a.m. that I waited for. Yeah, that I waited for. But yeah, lost about a little over 750 today. That's what I was risking. And now we're only like one trade away from blowing this combine that I literally just got like a week ago. So that's that. I'm not trading tomorrow because I don't want to trade on the Wednesdays of NFP week when we have ADP. I tend to lose on those days, and it's just not high probable for me. So I've been sidelining on those days. But let's go over the trade. Yeah, got stopped out, and eventually market went our direction, hit our target. Actually came down again, took out this low, and went to our target. But then market just rallied all the way up to these. I don't know if it's all-time highs. I don't think so. But let's go on the higher time frame. Both I remember the 4 hour and the 1 hour are both bullish, but I wanted to go in the day with the bearish bias because what I saw was these hourly stack lows on ES or on both indexes. But yeah, so market open like, okay, this is 8, right? So market hasn't opened yet as I'm doing my pre-market analysis. So we had all these lows ready to take out. This hourly low, this hourly low, this hourly low. And so I wanted the price to come up and take out maybe this high, these relatively equal highs, and look for a push down. Same on ES, I believe. Relative equal highs were up here, and then we have like, you know, these hourly highs. Well, we already took them out, so these highs would these are the highs that I would have been targeting. So yeah, that was my bias, bearish. But we ended up taking a long because market open, I believe it just took out those draws I wanted like immediately. Yeah, market open and dumped, took out all those lows, and when I saw that, I was like, okay, so shorts aren't the move, or I don't want shorts to be the move anymore. Flip my bias to bullish because we have an SMT right here. So we took out all these lows on NQ, and all we took out were these lows, these recently made lows in the pre-market. It's like, okay, so we got a 5-minute SMT. Now I'm just waiting for my confluences to appear. Not like I was in the previous 2 trades where I just really did a continuation trade. I didn't really have liquidity sweep or SMTs to use off of. And so today I was patient and waited. So let's go on the NASDAQ first. So we took out all these lows, right? SMT. Now I'm just looking for some sort of retrace. We get the retracement from this swing low to these range highs. Same as ES. I marked out both of those highs and lows on both indexes. And then, yeah, we got a perfect retracement, and that's exactly what I wanted to see. But the only problem was that we did make a SMT right here. And when we broke structure right here, I thought honestly we were just going to take out those highs. Because, it kind of looked like a decent setup. We literally take out liquidity, and then we have this inverse right here. And then boom, like perfect entry I thought, to take out those highs. But we ended up coming down and then eventually just dumping. So I don't know if anybody like in the trading community took this. I don't know if that was so smart, but I guess it's not because it didn't play out. So yeah, so I wanted to take it on the S&P because this was the leading index. And after I got stopped out, I was thinking about should I even take the trade on the leading indexes anymore? Because they just haven't been playing out. Like SMTs for me at least, when I've been using SMTs lately, they have not been really working out in my favor. But yeah, so we get that. Where was I? Yeah, I was talking about the retracement on the S&P. We get the retracement. After that, I'm waiting for a break of structure, and we don't get it quite with this candle, and so we had to wait for this candle to break structure. We had this fair value gap that I was kind of worried about us. This could have been just shorts really could have been the move, and then just comes into this fair value gap and dumps. But we ended up making a solid push out of it, invalidating it. Not quite on the NASDAQ, so that's that. But yeah, we broke structure right here, got filled around here, and I thought we were honestly solid. We have this fair value gap we're coming into, bullish reaction, and then yeah, I thought this, could have went in my favor, and it just honestly didn't. After seeing when you're in a trade, you just when you see candles going literally in the opposite direction when you're in profit before, it's just damn. And then okay, we broke structure. Maybe this is the push. After seeing this candle, this full candle form, it was damn, okay. Let's just be patient. Maybe it's gonna play out, but eventually, just lost all that momentum of this little move up in just one candle. With this candle, it's just damn. And then we just get 10 straight candles going the opposite direction. It just sucks. And then we get stopped out, honestly reverses, makes a good move, but eventually comes back down. If this came down and then hit our target, I wasn't gonna be mad at all, because I was damn, our bias some sort of played out, and it didn't work out for us. But Look on the Nasdaq, man. It just sucks. Cause like look at this move and compare it with this move on the Nasdaq. Imagine if I took this on the Nasdaq, we wouldn't have gotten stopped out at all. Like we wouldn't have even been close to getting stopped out, and then it would have played out, and literally took out these relative equal highs, and then literally reverse off of that. So it just sucks. I feel like I've said this for the like past like probably the last times I've traded or on this whole losing streak. I probably said this every time, but I really feel like I'm not taking bad trades at all. The last two trades, they even though they weren't like my set defined strategy, they were still really high probable in my opinion, and they just didn't work out. And so that kind of messes up with like my data when I'm trying to see how my model plays out through a month of trades, like with trading data, and see what my RR or my win rate is. And then when I finally like take a trade where everything follows my rules, like liquidity sweep, 5 minute confirmation, 5 minute continuation, 1 minute confirmation. But yeah, it's just unfortunate. I say that a lot, but it really is. Just couldn't get it to work. And when you see this, kind of looks like choppy, really, because it looks like really choppy price action, which it is. But like when you're looking at it from the point of view like what I want to see, it's like perfect. Like I got a liquidity sweep, I have an SMT. This is the retracement I want to see, and then I thought this was perfect. Stop loss was, well, I originally wanted to put my stop loss right here, but I have the set bracket like this. I have it at 750, and I was kind of shocked when it was all the way up here. I guess I just miscalculated the contracts. I think I just put too many contracts. I wish it was like an easier way to calculate it. The way I calculated is by a calculator, and I just like, because I know like, okay, so on NQ it's easier because when you have your stop loss set, right, this bottom number right here, 53.75, if you go in with 5 contracts right here, your stop loss is going to be, the dollar amount is going to be 537.5. So like you just like times that by 10, move the decimal to the right, then it's that. So I kind of like, it's kind of easy for me. So if I wanted to risk like 750, that would be like maybe 6 or 7 contracts. Probably 6. And you can calculate it too, like, I think you can. 537. It gives you a rough estimate divided by 5. So each contract will be 107 times, you can 6. Okay, 107 times 7. So perfect. Would have been 750. So 7 contracts. But with ES, it's kind of different because the point differential. I'm not even going to try to attempt to say what I'm trying to say. But like 7 points is kind of low. So I think it's multiplied by 2. So you still move the decimal point. I'm sorry, my brain is fried. It's been a long day. I had 2 tests earlier and a quiz. So like my brain is fried. So it'd be like 75 times what? 5, same thing. Or like no, 75 times 2. So it'll be 150 for 5 contracts, I thought. And so if you do, I'm not even gonna try to do it. I obviously did it wrong, so. Oh, but yeah. It's crazy how fast 15 minutes fly by. It's already 15 minutes. I feel like I haven't been really saying much of anything. But that was the trade. I don't feel ashamed, but I don't even want to like post this publicly on my YouTube. I'm going to make this recap because, I need to make a recap to look back on. But I want to keep it like unlisted or privated on my YouTube. I don't even want to like post it publicly. I'm ashamed, bro. I'm just like disappointed on the outcomes. But I know my breakthrough's coming. It's just hard losing this many trades in a row. I lost about what? I don't even know how much I lost on the. I actually don't know how much I lost on my live. I think it was about like 2 something. I was too like depressed to even check. And now it's a new trading day, so like it's not even gonna tell me, but I kind of remember what my account was at. Yeah, so I lost about like 240, so I was risking 250, so yeah. Another day, and now I'm only 1 trade away. I had to de-risk my next trade to 500. So I don't know, dude. Like already gonna blow my XFA in a week. I mean, not XFA. My combine in a week. This is what the week is looking like. Hopefully we can go into quarter 4 with a fresh mindset, and I wouldn't even say fresh mindset. Maybe just like, a fresh start going to quarter 4. Yeah. Maybe we can. Last October I had a really good trading month. Let's shoot for another good trading month. The stats, I don't even want to calculate what my stats. I mean, I'm probably like at a 16% win rate this month. It's just horrible. What is it? Like 14% win rate, bro. Just horrible. Tomorrow I'm not trading. Thursday is the only trading day I'm gonna trade this week. It's just like, do I even like when I got stopped out today? I was like, damn, bro. It's just all those thoughts, and you're just like, can I really do it? Is this for me? Like I was like, I said to myself, man, this makes me want to quit. And I immediately said after, like, I'm not gonna quit, but like it's just damn, it's hard to go through moments like this. I thought I finally got the ball rolling, in June. And then July finally passed my combine. And then when August hit, that's where everything went downhill. And so these back-to-back months have just been not good. Tell me if it's a coincidence or not, but, each month I've had school and trading's kind of been like, not the best for me. Tell me that's a coincidence or not. I wish I could just work, trade, and just like grind every day. Just focus on my craft. Even though it only takes like 2 hours out of my day in the morning. It's just like, damn. I need to make this work. This is all I got. And I'm gonna make it work. It's easy to have belief and be positive when things are going your when things are going your way and in your direction. But what are you gonna do, and how are you gonna think when things aren't going your direction? When you're constantly getting kicked down, shoved, pushed around by life, by the market, what are you gonna do? How are you gonna respond? I feel like that's what the real winners do, or that's how will. Oh my God, man, I can't do this right now. I feel like that's what the winners and the people that succeed. It's how you respond. So I'm gonna view this as a blessing, because it is. I don't know what else I want to say right now, but that's all I got right now. Hopefully we can get the ball rolling soon and get out of this slump. Just got to keep pushing forward. That's all I can do. The only way to go is up. And that's where God is too. So, not to sound corny for my little rant there. And oh yeah, by the way, the government just shut down, so I don't know how that's going to affect the market. Streets saying market might dump a little bit, which makes sense. The government is freaking shutting down. I didn't even know that was possible. But yeah, that's it for me, man. Another losing day. God bless.